Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this pet incubator for free in Grow a Garden Berry Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can get this item for free, I'm going to show you the ability of this item. So basically guys, you can use this item to level up your pet. You just need to put your pet on this pet incubator and the level will be increased as long as you fill the fuel. And then if you want to get this pet incubator, you need to feed the NPC on the egg shop with the food you have cooked up. Wait, I'm going to teleport to the egg shop using the recall wrench. Okay, here you can submit the food you have cooked up. I'm going to go to my food items, and you can feed the NPC with the food you have cooked up. And you need to unlock level 2 to get the pet incubator as the reward. And remember guys that the cooldown time is 24 hours. So I recommend you to feed him with the prismatic food or the transcendent food so you can increase the level faster. Okay, and then after you unlock the level 2, you can go to the inventory and put on the pet incubator here on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this pet incubator for free and Grow a Garden Berry Update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.